ഒരു ഭയാനകമായ ഒരു അന്തരീക്ഷം കേട്ടോ, ഭയാനകരമായ ഒരു അന്തരീക്ഷമാണ്. ഞങ്ങൾ ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിൽ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ വണ്ടിയിൽ ആളുകളെ കൊണ്ടുവന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് എല്ലാവരും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വേഗം സജീവമായിട്ട് ഒന്ന് വേഗം പ്രവർത്തിക്കണം നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിലെല്ലാവരും.
Kerala has had flood situations in several parts. Those are Nagarjun Dwarkanath is joining us. He tracks aviation for us. Nagarjun, what information can you give us? This was an Air India flight that was coming from Dubai to Calicut. Am I correct?
Well, that is true, exactly right, Rajdeep. This was a Air India Express flight that was coming from Dubai to Calicut. It's a Boeing 737-800
right,
with a maximum capacity of maybe 175 plus 5 crew members, that including the pilots. But what Air India Express sources in the airline are telling us that they are suspecting there might be casualties, unfortunately, in this incident. The image that we have accessed, we can clearly see that the aircraft has broken into two pieces, separated into two pieces. So seems like it was a hard impact with rain pouring down in Kerala. What one can assume is, did the aircraft overshoot the runway and then had an impact landing after overshooting? And the Air India Express right now suspects there might be casualties, including crew members as well as passengers. We'll have to wait and watch what is the number, because the information is still trickling in. The aviation secretary sitting in Delhi is in constant touch with the ground officials, is what we are told. And the minister is also being briefed every second, is what we are told right now. The aviation secretary is on constant call, but information is still at minimal right now, because they want to assess the proper situation and only then give out proper information to the media. But sources have confirmed that the airline at this point of time suspects casualties in Calicut.
Okay, we're getting more updates coming in, breaking news that's coming in at the moment on the channel. Remember, this was a flight that was coming in from Dubai to Calicut when this incident took place. We are told that a high-level meeting, an emergency meeting, has now been called at the aviation headquarters of the country. Preeti Chaudhary is joining me also from the newsroom. Preeti, can you give us the latest?
All right, so Rajdeep, what we do know right now, we are only putting out the information that is filtering in, is that this flight skid off the runway at about 7:40, 7:50 p.m. at the Calicut runway. What we do know is that the pilot is dead. There are many that have been feared injured right now. This was a flight, Rajdeep, which was on the Vande Bharat mission. It was coming in, it was bringing in people from Dubai to Calicut. The reason we've been told right now is that the flight skid because there's been torrential rainfall, which anyway we've been covering in Kerala. There was torrential rainfall. It skid off because of the rainfall. The result is that the aircraft split with serious damage. It split into two near the cockpit area. Confirmation is that the pilot is dead. Many right now are injured. We don't want to give out any more details in terms of fatality till we get a confirmation. But yes, there is a confirmation on the fatality of the pilot. So what we can tell our viewers, Rajdeep, right now, this was a Vande Bharat mission flight. It was coming in from Dubai, Air India Express flight to Calicut. It skid off the runway. It split into two. The reason given right now, of course, officially there is no reason, but unofficially we've got a lot of, reactions coming in which seem to suggest it skid off the runway due to the downpour, due to rain. What we also know right now is that the incident happened at about 7:40, 7:50 p.m. What's important to note, the Calicut runway is one of the few runways in the country which have always been on the radar of being kind of unsafe. It's called the tabletop runway. And, it's very difficult to land on that particular airstrip. There have been certain incidents in the recent past as well. We don't want to conjecture, we don't want to make any links, but just putting up the information. What we know right now, the pilot of this aircraft is dead. Many are injured. There seem to be fatalities. We are not confirming till we get an official count on fatalities just yet.